Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my knotless braids. And to start off, we have our traditional middle part hairstyle where you have some flowing to the back and some on the side. Next up, we have our ponytail with 2 bangs. It's really simple. You want to start off with your traditional updo or ponytail, so to say. For me, I did have a very long scrunchie, so I use the additional stretch for some of the braids that I have on this ponytail just to make it a little tighter. Throughout this video, some of the hairstyles are not going to be extremely neat, but of course when you're doing your hair yourself, just make it as neat as possible. Here you have your everyday updo bun. I'm going to make this easy because this is a transition from the style that we had previously. All you have to do is switch over to that simple bun. I took the bangs, I should say, and I just applied it to the bun, and then I noticed that I had a little string of hair to the side, so I pretty much incorporate that into the hairstyle. Now this is my favorite hairstyle, the updo with a bun and curly bang. I wore this in Barbados and I just wanted to show you guys how cute I look. So I was trying to redo this look for you guys, and it was a little complicated because when I initially did it, I was just freestyling. Here I am pretty much freestyling all over again, and you can see the struggle because I'm like, how do I even get this hairstyle to look the same? But I would say this, the first time I did the hairstyle, I actually did it on some passion twist hair, so it was more curly in the front. Also with this hairstyle, you want to get your bun to be extremely high as possible, and you will see why. So here I am splitting the hair and just playing around with this a lot. Like, you have to play around until you get it to your desired look. And I'm sure you guys know about this hairstyle when people use it for like their natural curly looks. So I tested it out with my knotless braids, and I actually really like how it turned out. And then I put my little bandeau at the end, which you guys will see. So a lot of tucking and hiding and placing of the hair. Now you guys all know the traditional side swoop ponytail. The transition was actually really good, so all you have to do is just take your hair out of the bun and just adjust your hair to the middle and then place your hair all the way to the side. I really like this look because it's really cute and simple, but it just gets the job done. Now for the side swoop updo bun, we do transition from here, so we keep the hairstyle the way it is. So you'll start off with a side bun or a side ponytail. You'll take some of the hair and pin it up to hold it in place, as I am doing right now. And then you take the remaining of the hair and just adjust it to a bun. a lot of tucking in most of these hairstyles. So I took the pins out so I can fix it a little bit because I wanted it a little flatter than I did. And I actually rocked this hairstyle when I was in Morocco last year of April. I will insert a video at the end of this so you guys can see what it looked like. But it was a really cute, playful look that I created. Now for my other favorite hairstyle that I wore in Jamaica was the 2-split updo. This one is pretty simple. You just need 2 rubber bands or 2 hair scrunchies. And what you want to do is have your hair split into the middle, and you grab a little bit of the hair in the front. I would say about 4 rows, like you could see here, and just add your scrunchies to that area and do so on the other side. And then there you go, a cute, simple doll look. From here, we transition to the space buns with hair down. Now, it's very simple. You just take that hair that you had in those 2 ponies and just wrap it around. And boom, there you go, cute hairstyle. Now for the half up and down do. You're going to use the same hair or less. So you want to take that out of the rubber bands or take the rubber bands out of it. Wow, I can't talk today. And just utilize about maybe 3 rows on each side and just place your scrunchie or your rubber band. And then boom, there you go, a half up, half down. And to make it look even cuter, you can just add on 2 bangs to that look by just pulling out 2 strands or 2 braids, I would say. Now for the half up, half down pullback hairstyle. Everyone rocks this hairstyle. So for my method, I pretty much use the triangle effect. So if you look at the middle part, I'm using a triangle amount of hair in order to pull it back. I hope that made sense. But yeah, you just place your scrunchie or your rubber band and voila. Now for our last look, you have that low bun hairstyle. Now you want to keep the same hairstyle and just twist the hair in the back into a bun. I used a big scrunchie for this, and it worked well for me. I actually rocked this to work out right after, so it was pretty secure, which is really good. And you just adjust as you go. Well, there you guys have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.